Okay, what we got is a vise that has been laying outside in a junk pile for, I don't know, probably 25, 30 years. And it's rusted solid. I mean, you can see we got rust all over. It's just rusted up totally solid. All the way through. What we're going to do is we're going to spray it with Q20 penetrating. I don't know if this is going to work. We're going to let it sit for a while. Probably try some industrial on it too, and just see if it'll work. It is about 12:30 in the afternoon, so we're going to spray her down. This is the penetrating. Anyway, we're going to let her soak for a while and then come back and see if we can't get things to loosen up.